Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are very good and staying safely at your home. Kids, it's your English class and now it's the time to learn about the alphabets. In our previous class, we discussed about the small letters A, B, C and D. It's A, small a. It's B. It's C and this is D. In our previous class, we discussed about this. Today, we will learn about E and F. The small E and the small F. At first, E. This is E. E comes after D. It's E. Look at the board. This is small e. To make E, we need one sleeping line and one curved line. One small sleeping line and one curved line. Okay? To make E, we need one small sleeping line and one curved line. Like this. Okay? This is a small sleeping line and this is a curved line. With these lines, we can make E. Okay? At first, the small sleeping line. Okay? Then the curved line. This is small e. At first, the small sleeping line, then the curved line. At first, you have to draw the small sleeping line, then the curved line. Okay? This is E. E, E. Okay? Next, F. Students, look. This is F. At first E. Next, the letter F comes. This is the letter F. Okay? This is F. To make F, we need one small curved line and one slanting line and one sleeping line also. To make F, we need one small curved line, one standing line and one small sleeping line. Okay? At first, the small curved line join with the standing line. Okay? Then the small sleeping line join this. Okay? At first, the small curved line join with the sleeping line, standing line. Then the sleeping line join this. Okay? At first, the small curved line join with the standing line. Then the sleeping line join with this. This is F. This is small f. Students, so this is E and it is F. This is E and it's F. E, F. Now I tell you how can we write these letters in our 4 rule page. Okay? Suppose it's our 4 rule page. This page has 4 rules. First, second, third and fourth. 4 rules. Okay? To write E, we need the second row and the third rule. To write E, we need the second line and the third line. Okay? Look, this is a E. Next, F. To write F, we need the first line and the second line and the third line also. To write F, we need the first line, the second line and the third line also. Look. This is F. Okay? To write E, we need only 2 lines, the second line and the third line. This is E. And to write F, we need the first line, the second line and the third line. This is F, this is E and this is F. Okay? So students, that's all for today. Today we learn about E and F. E for elephant and F for fish. E for elephant and F for fish. That's all for today. You all watch this video and learn about E and F. Okay? Students, keep practicing. Watch this video and send your feedback in our WhatsApp group. Taking care of yourself. Bye.